Alright, round 2. It's me, Allie, on the jet ski. I am the driver. Watch out. And there's Buddy.
Hold on, how do you want me to do it?
Just like hang on to the back of it, cause or try something. Well, you on the float doesn't work. Alright, and we're gonna see how long it takes for Buddy to fall off, cause she's on that little itty bitty tube that we found. Alright, hold on. Let me get over here. I am. Alright, I'm gonna put it up here because you can't see it. I hope it don't fall in the river. That would kind of suck. Alright. Here we go. Alright, well hurry up. I'm going. I mean, what about this? Okay. You ready? What? We got farther that time though. Hold on.
I can keep going. I just didn't want to get the water to like take me there.
The end.